Welcome to BOSTONtec's Ergo Chat. In this edition, we're going to talk about box building. A common practice in the industry is to build a box on a work surface. Sounds reasonable, right? And that's all well and good for smaller boxes. But once you start getting into taller boxes, and sometimes you get shorter operators, this creates an ergonomic scenario where the person is reaching up and over to put items in the box. In recognition of this, BOSTONtec has built under Worksurface Shelving that pulls out when needed so you can build the box and fill it while on the lower shelf, making it much more ergonomic. And then when you're done, you can just push the shelf away, getting that valuable floor space back. Hope you found this information useful. See you again next time on BOSTONtec's Ergo Chat.